So yeah, in 2023, I get scammed within 4 hours. Wanna know the worth? It's 50,000 pesos, and no one knew about it. Ah. Have you ever received a text or a call na nakadaog daw mong lottery or ilaha daw padakuon ng imuhang kwarta karon or tagaan kag offer na dako if you click the link? Or just like me, have you been offered, no? Nakatry ba ka nga naka-receive kag offer for a job and you thought that it's valid, no? And later on you realized na something's wrong with the negotiation, no? Or have you ever received, no, a notification or let us say a call or a text from a friend or from a someone or from anyone, no, a stranger or a relative or who knows, no, and they're asking for a password, an OTP, or a specific and sensitive set of numbers and letters? If you did, be careful. Kay, scam. But if ever you're already hooked to it, or let us say na ano yung kay ongoing session, no, na kay ongoing encounter, ana, problema na jud na siya because big trouble.
No!
Big trouble.
No!
Now, kaning mga scammers, no, they will act as a big company or a big bank and ila kang ilaron in a way just to get your money. And some other scammers would actually act as your friend or as a business partner just to trick you into giving them your money, even if it's just even if kanang ginagmay lang jud bitaw siya. So ang common action aning mga scammers, no, is that they would let you feel scared, no? Kanang ipahadlo kanila and ipa-act kanila og paspas, no, para makahatag jud ka og kwarta diretso. Now, if you were able to see the Red Line movie, I think it's a Thailand film, no, nga ang style sa scamming nga gipakita nila, what they were saying is that so sa ilang movie, ang common denominator is that naay manawag sa imuha and would tell you that you are involved in a fraud. And then after which, naa dyan ay second person. In most cases, sa ilang case, it's a supervisor that would tell you nga involved jud ka. And in a way nga makahunaw-una ka nga mag-send kag money para dili daw na siya ma-broadcast nga involved ka ana nga fraud or money laundering. In my case, it was a job offer, and the job offer in a way took me to an environment. It's a group chat, no, sa Telegram. Hadlok po ng Telegram. Group chat in a Telegram that composed of three people, no? Basin po tulo pat depende yun na sa case. Now these people would tell you na it's okay to really invest in these things tungod kay safe ra siya and mubalik ka daw sa imuha. And in some other people, they would offer you a good job na too good to be true nga in a way nga kana gyapon same concept nga makahuna-huna ka nga dako kaayo ang imuhang benefit, dako kaayo ang ma-offer sa imuha if mag-grant ang certain position or certain job offer para sa imo. But these things are mainly just mind conditioning. Now, mind conditioning nowadays is very, very strategic because of the presence of technology, AI, and social media. And you would also think na kaning mga tao nga posible nga same person na jud would actually let you realize, would let you think nga everything is okay despite the fact that you are shelling out, giving out a big amount of money with the thought nga mobalik ka jud na siya ug mas dako pa. But again, since we are talking about scamming, once we give them out, all of these things will diminish in a matter of seconds. Why? Because ang permanente mahitabo jud dayon is that scammers would give you false promises, a continuous promises that would let you think nga ugma mo abot na or in a few hours mo abot na ang imuhang gipangita nga dako nga kwarta. But the truth is, non-existent na sila. Now, my advice to that as a solution is that if you receive a text, do not click any links. No, ayaw na lang jud. Or if you will be able to receive an offer and if it's too good to be true, and if it's too fast to be true, ayaw na lang jud. If a stranger asks for an OTP or a password or a sensitive information like your social security number or any other personal information, ayaw na lang jud. Just say no. Because honest people will never ask you to rush things. Honest people will never tell you to give out your secrets and rush it in giving out your money. And one of the best things that I've learned in terms of making sure and securing yourself from being scammed is to call them. No, tawagi sila and have their video turned on. And if dili na nila mabuhat, then it's a red flag. Sure na. Staying safe is about being careful. Kaya sa panahon karon, lisod na kaayo mas kamay.